Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg. Once again, you all are welcomed to the chapter of constructions, right? In this video, I'll be telling you how to make an angle of 90 degree, how to make double of it, and how to bisect angle of 90 degree, right? So here we start. 90 degree. Main is how to draw an angle of 90 degree. For this, what have we to do is, first of all, we have to draw a line of any length. Let that line be A and B, right? After this, we have to take a compass, open any radius in the compass, and from this point, make an arc with any radius like this. Make an arc like this with any radius. Fine. You have got this point. Let this point be P. From this point, with the same radius, cut an arc like this. Now, with the same point, with the same radius and the point that you have got just now, make one another arc like this, right? We have got two arcs, and if you remember in the previous video, I have told you, if you join A with this arc, you get an angle of 60 degree, and if you join A with the second arc, you get an angle of 120 degree, right? But here we have to make an angle of 90 degree. So for that, what we have to do, we have got these 2 points. We take the radius, we can change the radius, we can increase the radius, little bit. Then keeping our compass on the first point, we draw an arc like this. Keeping it here, we draw an arc like this. Then with another point, we cut the previous arc which we have drawn, and then what you have to do is, with the arc that you have got or the point that you have got, you have to take that point and your point A and you have to join. So this angle is your 90 degree angle. Again, I am telling you, if you join A to this arc, it will be an angle of 60 degree. If you join A to this, it will be an angle of 120 degree, right? Now 90 degrees over. After 90, we come to an angle of 45 degree, or we say the bisector of 90 degree, right? Now how to make an bisector of 90 degree? Let this point be Q. So again, we will be requiring the compass. Now we have got these 2 points P and Q. We open any radius, कुछ भी radius निकाल सकते हैं आप लोग. Keep it once on P and make an arc. Similarly, and the radius should be same. Keep it on Q and make another arc. देखो, what you have to do is, आपको 2 पॉइंट लेने हैं P और Q. रेडियस आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट जो भी आप रेडियस लेंगे, दैट शुड बी सेम फॉर P एज वेल एज फॉर Q. अंडरस्टूड? आप रेडियस अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन P और Q का रेडियस शुड बी सेम. देन अगेन, what? Now you have got this arc, you have got this point. From A, join this point like this. So this is the bisector. This angle is 45 degree, right? This angle is your 45 degree. So either we say that we have to draw the bisector of 90 degree, then we apply this procedure, or if we finally have to make an angle of 45 degree, then also we can do it this way, right? Okay, now basically we have done 90, 30, 60, 45, 120. अब इसके बीच के भी कई बार एंगल्स होते हैं, लाइक से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये दोनों हो गए हमारे, 30 हो गया, 60 हो गया, देन वी हैव 120 डिग्री भी हो गया, राइट? नाउ आफ्टर 45, व्हाट विल बी द हाफ ऑफ 45? दैट विल बी 22 होल 1/2, राइट? अगर हमें 22 होल 1/2 बनाना है तो वो कैसे बनाएंगे? उसके लिए हमने 45 डिग्री का बनाना पड़ेगा पहले एंगल, और उसके बाद जो 45 डिग्री का एंगल बनाने से the 2 points, this is the angle of 45 degree like this. अब these are the 2 arcs P and you can make it X. अब PX पर कंपास रखेंगे and then with any radius but it should be same for P and X. We make an arc like this, we cut this arc like this, we get the point, this is the point, and then we join A to this point. So this angle will be your 22 half. This angle is 45. This angle is 90. Right? If you make this angle, इसको बना रहे हैं आप, तो ये बन जाएगा आपका कितना? 120. This complete angle will be 120. Right? I hope it is clear. Now sometimes you have an angle of 105 degrees. Now you have to remember how can you make an angle of 105 degree. For that what you do, you have 90 degree, you have 120 degree. Means there can be various ways of making an angle of 105 degree. But what we have to do is, first of all we will be making an angle of 90 and 120. अब रफली देखिए 90 और 120 का कैसे बन जाएगा. ये बनाएंगे, दिस इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, ये 120 डिग्री का है, इनके बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है? दिस इज 90, दिस इज 120, तो डिफरेंस ऑफ 30, ये जो बीच का खुला हुआ है इट इज एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. और अगर हम 30 का हाफ कर दें, दैट मीन्स वी टेक 15 डिग्री, इन दोनों का बाइसेक्टर बना दें, तो 15 इधर आ गया और 15 इधर आ गया. नाउ यू ऐड 90 to 15, इट इज 105, और यू subtract 15 from 120, you get what? 105. Okay. So there are 2 ways of making an angle of 105. What are those 2? Either 120 minus 15 or 90 plus 15. Right? 90 plus 15. And in both the cases, first you have to make an angle of 90 degree and 120 degree. Fine. Let us see this. How to make 90 or 120 ka. By now everyone knows how to make. Again, once I am revising it. Let us first make an line segment like this. Then we have to make an angle of 90 degree. Here, cut an arc here with the same radius. Make another arc. Increase the radius a bit. Then with the 2 points that you have got, make an arc like this, and then join this point to your A. It is 90 degree. This arc will be your 90 degree. Right? Then what? If you join this line, this will be your 120 degree. This point will be, this line will be 120 degree. This line will be 90 degree. Right? Now you have to make the bisector of this part. क्योंकि 90 में 15 ऐड करना है या 120 से 15 कम करना है. इसके बीच में है 30, because this is 90, this is 120, this complete is 30. इस 30 को डिवाइड करना है. डिवाइड करना है means we have to make the bisector. Bisector के लिए what we have to do is, जो 2 ये points हैं, this point and this point, we keep it here, make an arc like this, same radius, keep it here, make another arc, थोड़ा बड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा like this, and then keep it here, and then another arc like, it will be cutting over here like this. ठीक है? So we have got the point, this point join with A. That means now 90, this is 15, 90 plus 15, this complete angle will be your 105 degrees. Fine. I hope an angle of 105 is clear to you. Okay children. Now again, sometimes we have an angle of 150 degrees. 150 degree. So how can we make 150 degree? How can we make? There can be various ways, either 180 minus 30 or 120 plus 30, right? So 120 plus 30, if we do from this only, we will be able to do, see, this is 120 till here, this angle is 120 till here, 120 में 30 और ऐड करना है. How can we add that? This complete angle is now how much? देखिए एक लाइन पर एंगल कितनी डिग्री का होता है? It is 180 डिग्री. यहाँ से हमने यहाँ बना लिया ये 120 है, तो ये कितना है मतलब 60. If we make the bisector of this 60 degree like this, मतलब 30 इधर आ गया और 30 इधर आ गया, that means 120 plus 30 will be your 150 degree, right? So what we have to do for making an angle of 150 degree, I'm wrapping this. First of all, you have to make an angle of 120 degree. Same thing, 120 कैसे बनाना है अब पता चल गया सब लोग को. That you have to make angle, point A and B. Then take your compass with point A, make an arc like this. With the same point, arc here, with the same point, arc here. The second arc is your 120 degrees. Second arc is your, this is 120 degree, and what is this? If you join this, it will be 60 degree. Now you have to extend the line to make the angle bisector. Like this. Now see, this complete angle is 120 degree, this angle is 60 degree. तो अब हमें 60 degree का bisector बनाना होगा. Bisector, now you know how to make. These are the 2 points, this and this. You can name these points, let it be P and let it be Q. So P और Q का angle bisector कैसे बनाएंगे? Open any radius, put it on P first, make an arc with Q, cut the previous arc like this, and then join this arc with A. Join this arc by point A like this. Now this angle is your, this is divided into 30 and 30. So now this complete angle, this angle will be an angle of 150 degree. Right? I think it is clear. Okay, I don't think any other angle is left. एक 15 degree का आ जाता है कई बार. 15 degree, how you will be making? Draw a line, make an arc like this. This is 60 degree. इसका बाइसेक्टर बनाएंगे like this. So this is 30 degree. और 30 का भी बाइसेक्टर बना देंगे तो we get 15 degrees. Right? So these are the angles which are to be constructed. आप इनको ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते that we can use our D and we can make. Now with D you can make other angles. Say for example, if I say angle of angle of 72 degree, angle of 222, 320, like this if we say, then you have to use this D. Otherwise these angles are always to be constructed, right? कौन से 90, 45, 30, 60, 120, 105, 15 degree and so on. So all these angles are to be constructed using ruler and your compass, right? So I hope you have understood the constructions. Yes, if you find them fruitful, please you can share it with your friends, with your other classmates, right? And if you find that it is beneficial to you, you can write to me in the comment section. If there is any problem, if you did not get anything, or if there is any suggestion, kindly make use of the comment section. Okay, practice these. Okay children, goodbye. God loves you. Bye bye.